In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for social media management in 25. Let's dive into how you can effectively organize your content strategy using this powerful tool. First off, head over to your Monday.com workspace. This is where all the magic will begin and where you'll house your social media calendar. Once you're in your workspace, look for the plus icon. It's generally easy to spot, located towards the top left of the screen. Clicking the plus icon will allow you to create a new entity within your workspace. Now that you've clicked it, the next step is to select Board. Boards are essential structures in Monday.com, acting as the canvas for all the items and tasks you will manage. They provide a visual overview, helping you keep track of everything in one centralized location. Next, you'll want to give your board a title that reflects its purpose. Type in Social Media Calendar. Giving your board a clear title will not only serve you later on when searching for it, but also set a focused path for all the content and tasks you will manage on this board. Once you've named your board, click on Create Board. This option will finalize the setup, turning your board into an actionable platform. It's a crucial step, as this confirms the creation of your workspace's newest addition. With the board created, let's move on to organizing it. Start editing the group titles. Groups function like categories within your board and help segment different areas of your workflow. Consider adding groups such as content ideas, InDesign,